So with the likes of Battlefield 6, FC26 and many more games that will be coming out over the next few months, I'm going to show you how to link your EA account to your Twitch and your YouTube, which will allow you to have in-game drops when you're watching your favourite streamers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over onto the computer and I'm going to show you exactly how to link them step by step on each one. If you do like the video, do please leave a like. Comment what games you are going to be buying over the next few months, because there are a lot that are coming out. And if you enjoy the content, subscribe and stay tuned for much more content to come in the future. So what you want to do once you're on Google is just open up a fresh page and search EA account. Go onto that official home page, which will come up at the top. What you want to do is log in using the profile icon in the top right corner, which I'm hovering over. Once you're logged in, just go into account settings and you'll come up with this page here, which is your whole account. Obviously it's been updated since the last couple of years. What you want to do is click connected accounts, which is below account information, and what you'll have here is every account you have linked, whether that's your PlayStation, Xbox, Twitch, Discord, etc. What you'll have is there will be a drop down for Twitch down in this box here, which you just want to link. Once you've linked it, you'll then get access to your favourite streamers' in-game drop rewards when they have them on. So what that will look like on Twitch is, once you've got all your favourite streamers up and everything, you go to your notification box in the top right corner, and what you'll see is that you'll get a notification when you're eligible from watching a certain amount of hours of that streamer. So for example, Rainbow Six Siege, at the moment they've got one there. If you watch someone playing Siege, you can get a Zeal headpiece, you can get a weapon skin and so forth, and then Dead by Daylight you can get blood points and stuff. So every game has their own certain ones, as you can see down below. I've got a lot of FC25 ones, Call of Duty, as well as Marvel Rivals. So that's how it kind of works when you link your Twitch account. When it comes to YouTube, you do the exact same thing. So once you're on your home page of your YouTube account, you want to go to the top right corner where your profile picture will be. Click on settings right at the bottom. Once you've gone onto this page, you just want to go to connected apps, and what you'll see, you'll be looking for Electronic Arts, which is the EA, which then again, I've already connected mine, but it'll ask you to connect, which will say connect accounts and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. So it works the exact same as how Twitch drops do. However, a lot of streamers now do multi-platform streaming. So if you can't watch on Twitch and you can watch on YouTube, you still get the benefits of it. Let me know in the comments, like I said, what games you are looking forward to over the next 4 months until the end of the year, and I'll catch you in the next one.